secondary target, we never ever lose somebody behind us. Keep looking behind you all the time, okay?
Oh, me?
What are we doing? This way. We are here. Attention. Attention. Oh, this little dirt road here.
Past the bridge.
Oh, just on the other side of the bridge.
The ditch.
Water crossing. Now we're back into some proper trails. A little 2-track for us.
Okay. The mistake was that there are 2 trails on either side of this drainage ditch, and I couldn't tell from the GPS. We should be on that side, and that connects straight through and goes on.
Okay.
My mistake.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
So we got to go across on the other side over there. Hey, I'm going to pull him. Watch this. I'm going to get up to the end and point, you know, like turn the bike and point. This is going to be funny. Oh, Greg, are you roostering? Yeah. Although I will say this is really cool back in here. Yeah, this is nice. Right. We got sage, we got flowers, and we got poo. Chad almost died. Yeah, there's a trail right there. Oi! Oh, the GS is stuck. Hold on. He's all right. He's got it. King Richard's making his way. Yeah, you're fine, guys. Just stay up there. All right. Tom's got that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Did you guys get a good picture?
Hold on, I'm going to try to get a good picture here.
Oh! 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 Oh!
There he is, the beach whale.
That's why I crashed. Yeah. Victory!
Actor Johnny Chase.
Just didn't catch that groove. What's that?
So out of shape.
Yeah.
I'm completely out of shape.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's make it climb, baby. Oh yeah, this is cool.
Okay, Matt, you want your hip and grip, okay? Let's go!
Greg, you got the rear, right? And Greggy is bringing up the rear, which is, he's in his perfect position for him. Alright, I get a nice little shot of all of us. He's going to get it from on top. I'm going to get it on down as we go. Slow down, Dan. Yeah, keep on going for a little bit. Good, little squishy, little rocky, little rutted. We're going to a reflecting pool.
Worth looking at? Not worth looking at?
Not deep enough to look at.
Oh, got a little water. Oh, dude, my rear end slid into that mud. The front end kept on tracking up front, and oh my God. Daniel, you okay there, man? All right. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, that's just cool. We're gonna go back up in here. Trust in your training.
Best shot of the week. I timed it perfectly. You timed it perfectly. No, you did your thing. I tilted up from the poppies to finish on the sky.
No.
It looked incredible just even through the phone. Really worth doing. Okay.
Run.
That was Dan and I started off hot, and then we come into this shit. Hey Greg, make sure you monitor the cow dung smell. God, that's rancid. This must be the town you talked about. Trail.
High ground there, and then it gets to light forest. Hopefully we'll find a nice shady nook up there, maybe even a stream if we're lucky. There's not much surface water in this part of Spain. So probably only hopefully another 15 minutes and we'll be having lunch. Everyone okay? Great. on the beach.
Coca coffee.
Okay, we are back up and running. Just had a little lunch at this very nice place. The guys made a nice job. We had some dried ham and prosciutto, rolls, banana. We're good. Some salty nuts. That freaking video of his where he's got us doing that fist in the air is hilarious. That is funny shit. Oh shit. Oh my God. Holy shit.
Hey, did you get it?
Oh my God.